Hi everybody, Stella Jane Penn here from SRP V8 Diamonds Mastery. I wanted to share with you today something that I've been taught within my impulse journey. And I wanted to give just a few tips and tricks with trading, okay? And I've written some notes down. So if you see me looking down, I'm actually not wanting to miss anything for you, okay? So trader mindset. Okay, trading is a lifestyle, okay, and a lifelong skill set. Learning to trade takes time, okay, but it can be really, really rewarding, and it's a really rewarding skill once mastered, okay? So never, ever give up. My key trading habits, okay, is have an objective trade entry system and exit system, just an objective trade system, and stick to your rules, stick to the rules of it. Define a systematic, rule-based, data-driven trade system and make every effort to consistently follow your objective trade system every single day. Risk management. Determine your risk per trade, okay, and stick to it. Winning makes you money, yes, but good risk management is the key to your success long term or your failure. And it keeps you in the game. So what I do is every single trade, I will recalculate my risk. So whether you take a win or whether you take a lesson because you learn from them, every single time with your account balance, recalculate using the same risk. Okay, I'll go through that again a little bit later on again. Consistency. Choose a market session as well that works for you, okay? That works with your own schedule. If I'm in the UK, there's no point in getting up in the middle of the night to trade the Tokyo session because I'm not going to get the best. I'm going to be tired and I'm not going to get the best from my trading. Make sure it works around you and your life, that you can stick to your daily DMO, as we call it, your daily method, that you can actually do what you say you're going to do every single day and it works to your schedule. Make it part of your life, make it work around you and make your life work around it, okay? Make it part of your life and it works. It will work. It will work for you as long as it fits in and it's a manageable schedule. Minimize any distraction, know your plan and trade your plan, a consistent plan, and that will create the consistent results for you as well. Manage your fears, okay? Fear of loss creates inaction, okay? And what I mean by that is never trade through emotion, fear of missing out, and it always would lead to excessive trading, or both of these fear types can lead to emotional decisions. Manage your fears by sticking to your objective trade system, okay? And manage your euphoria, your ego, I like to call it. Winning is, yeah, it's exciting, but it can make a person feel invincible, and it can cause them to make emotional decisions, okay? Manage your ego by sticking to your objective trade system. And know when to take a lesson. I never take losses, I only take lessons. To me, they're lessons because I learn from every single one of them, and we all have to have them. Don't ever revenge trade. Learn to manage your risk, okay? Accept the losses, accept the lessons, learn from them. Always be a student. And when they happen, Don't hang on to them. Let them go. Detach yourself from them. Make them motionless. Don't hang on to lessons. Keep your losses small and keep your wins greater. And believe always that you will win, because there is the winner in you. There's the winner in all of us. The only way we'll fail is if we quit. Stay positive. Winning at trading starts with a winning attitude. And this is so, so true. Manage your own expectations, because that is one of the biggest things. It's your own expectations in your own mind. Recognize we will all have good and bad days. That's just the same in life. It's no different with your trading. Good and bad days in everything, okay? But learn from your lessons and your mistakes, but keep only moving forward. Okay, don't let the bad days drag you down. Consistency and positivity is key. And I'm going to finish with talking a little bit more about the compound effect. I touched on this earlier, and what I mean by that is to take advantage of the compound effect. Consider trading based upon a percentage of your account instead of a fixed currency amount, okay? And that's what I touched on. Recalculate every single time you're about to take a trade, after a win and after a lesson, on your new account balance. Recalculate it every single time. Same amount of risk, never change that either. This helps to protect your account on the downside while taking advantage of the long-term compound growth effect. And I'm going to finish on this. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He or she who understands it earns it. She or he who doesn't ends up paying it. Love and light, everybody, and good luck with your trading journey.